That logic is politically useful, but is very much intellectually dishonest. Prevention succeeds by removing the evidence that would have ended up justifying it. So ministers didn't engage with that reality. They treated boredom as proof of overreach and caution as hostility. But in doing so, they crossed a line. They stopped questioning judgment and started questioning legitimacy. And once you accuse the police of fabrication, you're no longer asking whether a decision was right, you're asserting bad faith. And that assertion invites a test. UEFA didn't set out to vindicate British policing. It had no reason to. That was beyond its remit. But by documenting racist and discriminatory conduct by the same club supporters elsewhere, it demonstrated that the category of risk ministers said didn't exist was plainly observable. And crucially, that corroboration came from outside the political dispute. That's what's trapped them. That's what's boxed them in. That's what's backfired now and blown up in their faces. And this is why the language has now changed. Ministers no longer talk about fiction, they talk about process. They talk about communication, they talk about lessons. All of that may be well worth discussing. But none of it rescues the claim that the risk was invented. And look at how accountability now works. Police officers will appear before a committee and justify the decisions line by line. They will explain how intelligence was assessed and why caution was exercised. Ministers who made sweeping claims will not be required to explain how those claims have aged so badly. There's no equivalent mechanism forcing that reckoning. Politicians move on. Institutions end up absorbing the damage.